Capturing UTM parameters in your forms is a great way to know how people are finding you, and it's an even better way to get started with custom attribution. I'm going to show you how to set it up in today's HubSpot hack. So, quick example of UTM parameters. If you're not too familiar with them, you probably are if you're here, but when you go to a website, this is our site and our contact us page for Simple Strat, the UTM parameters is everything after this question mark telling you the source, the medium, and the campaign of how people found you. And we can actually capture this directly in the form inside of HubSpot. So first thing that you want to do is, as always, hop into HubSpot, click the gear icon up here towards the top right, and then on the left-hand side, go to your properties. So I'm already filtering by the UTM properties that I've created ahead of this video, so it's not too long. But you can see I've got 5 created. I've got campaign, content, medium, source, and I've got term. So if you were to create them, it's important. Let's click into one here. You do want to make sure that you have this right, all lowercase, no spaces with this underscore here, UTM campaign. You do want to make sure that the field type is single line text. And it's also really important that under, under rules, that you allow this to show in forms. That should be checked off by default, but just wanted to cover that just in case. So we want to put these fields into a form so it automatically gets captured for a form fill. So on the left-hand side, let's navigate to marketing and then forms. And let's create a new form. So we'll use the new form editor and we will just start from blank. Awesome. So the form is pre-filled with first name, last name, email. Great place to start. I'm going to click this plus sign up here, and I'm going to search for my single line properties just by searching for UTM. I'm then going to drag and drop all these down here into the bottom of this form. And I have all my UTM properties on this form now. So the way it's set up right now is the end user, when they go to sign up, will obviously see these. So we don't want that to happen. We actually want to come in and we want to make sure that all of these are hidden. So hover over the field and then the pencil to edit field, and then scroll down and check off hidden field. And once your hidden fields are set up, you'll see it here grayed out. So maybe speed the video up here while I do this for all the other ones. All right, we're all set up. Let's go ahead and give this thing a test so you can see how it works. So I want to give this form a name. I'm going to call this my HubSpot Hacks UTM form. Going to go ahead and publish this. And then view the form. So this is just a standalone form here. I'm actually going to snag these UTM fields from earlier, what I showed, and just add them to the back. And then click enter, and then I'm going to fill out this form. And submit. Now I'm going to hop back into HubSpot here, go over to CRM and then contacts. And when I look at my contact, you can see it automatically captured these fields from the form. All right, folks, that's how you can hide your UTM parameter fields to automatically be captured inside of forms. They're ready to start running and be reported on from there. Again, down in the description is a link to subscribe to our HubSpot Hacks newsletter. That's where you can find all the latest and greatest tips, tricks, and tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Really appreciate you watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and happy HubSpotting.